there, it's Alex again from Promomotive. One of the best things that Promomotive offers is our unique ability to custom source, recreate, or replicate nearly any product for a logo. With our access to over 100 factories both in Southeast Asia and a handful here in the USA, we will definitely have a factory that can reproduce your product. But why would you want to do that? Lots of great reasons, but the top ones are: 1. Your current supplier has discontinued a product you need. We can either find the same product or replicate it for you. Number 2, you want a brand product, but you don't want to pay for the brand price. Number 3, you want to save money. Remember, when you buy swag for a warehouse promo supplier here, the product's price has already been stepped on 3 to 5 times. That's just nuts. In our 20 years, there's almost nothing we can't make or source.
I've got an inquiry for a custom-shaped truck box with socks inside. Check it out.
Easy, no problem.
And the Psychic Convention wants a magic 8-ball with their messaging inside.
It says absolutely.
And what about this thing? I'm not sure what it is, but they want a bunch of them.
Gosh, make it harder.
And what about a custom pencil box with custom pencils in it?
God, obviously.
And what about this funny lingerie?
Yeah, I told you, we can make anything.
What about Mr. Floaty? They want it to be done in poly resin. Can we do it?
Of course we can, but also why? If you want us to create, replicate, or source almost any promotional product, simply send us a picture and description to inquiry@promomotive.com. Thanks, I'm Alex.